So President of Istanbul Technical Universities, Vice President, former President of Mauritius, Dr. Amina Ghraib Fakim, Shelley Sian, heads of Space Agency, Pakistan and Iran, distinguished participant, ladies and gentlemen, Salam alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I stand before you today with immense pride and excitement as we gather for the grand opening of Aerospace Symposium jointly organized between ICESCO and the Istanbul Technical University. This is a momentous occasion, or this momentous occasion makes a significant milestone in our commitment to advancing knowledge, innovation, and collaboration in the aerospace sector. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you who have traveled from various corners of the world to be part of this remarkable event. Your presence exemplifies the global interest and dedication to the exploration of the vast frontiers of aerospace technology. It is pertinent to mention here that aerospace industry has always captivated a humanity's imagination, representing our relentless pursuit of knowledge and the desire to transcend the boundaries of our earthly confines. It has been a source of inspiration, fostering unprecedented scientific discoveries, technological breakthroughs, and a symbol of international cooperation. Our collective endeavors today with ICESCO and Istanbul Technical University at its helm underscore the importance of nurturing and advancing the inspiring domain. It takes immense pride in ICESCO visions of fostering scientific and technological progress among our member states. Aerospace, being a critical sector, holds the potential to drive innovation across numerous disciplines and contribute significantly to the sustainable development of our societies. The collaboration of ITU, a leading institution in aerospace research and education, further reaffirm our commitment to building bridges of knowledge and expertise. Together, we aim to not only enrich our scientific knowledge, but also pave the way for young minds to flourish in this domain and become future leaders in aerospace exploration. At this symposium, we have gathered some of the brightest minds and experts in aerospace industry. The exchange of ideas, research findings, and experiences that will take place over the course of these deliberations is invaluable. It is in this very interaction that we lay the groundwork of cutting-edge innovations and potential breakthroughs that could shape the future of airspace. Moreover, this symposium provides a platform of fostering international collaboration and network. In an interconnected world where challenges transcend borders, it is imperative that we stand united, pooling our resources and expertise to address the complex issue facing our planet. Collaborative effort among ICESCO member states and international partners are essential in driving progress and creating a sustainable airspace future. As we delve deeper into the realm of space exploration and technological advancement, we must also be mindful of the responsibility that accompanies such progress. The aerospace industry must be conducted with commitment to environmental sustainability, safety, and ethical considerations. Embracing green aerospace technologies such as electric propulsion and sustainable materials will be crucial to minimizing our ecological footprint and ensuring the preservation of our planet for future generations. Furthermore, we must strive to foster diversity and inclusivity within the aerospace sectors by breaking down barriers and providing equal opportunities to all. We can unlock the potential of untapped, talented individuals from diverse backgrounds and perspectives. The richness of our collective experiences will undoubtedly fuel a greater spirit of innovations and creativity. I call upon all participants here today to engage wholeheartedly in the exchange of knowledge and experiences. Share your thoughts, share your insights, challenge existing paradigm, and explore the uncharted territories of aerospace research. Let the symposium be a catalyst for the groundbreaking discoveries that will shape the future trajectory of our world. And be proud of yourself. In conclusion, I extend my sincerest appreciation to the Istanbul Technical University for their collaboration and to all the participants, especially our distinguished speakers from all across the world, who have made this Aerospace Symposium a reality. Let's embark on this journey of exploration, innovation, and collaboration with a renewed sense of purpose and determination. May this symposium serve as a beacon of hope to our member state, guiding us towards a future where aerospace technology contributes to global progress, prosperity, and peace. Thank you all, and particularly to Istanbul Tech University presidents, and also to Professor Alim Aslan. I wish you all a fruitful and enlightening symposium. Thank you very much.